brothers and sisters.
I'm telling you right now, there is no way that I'm going to write a check to pay Con Edison for my utilities if they're locking out their workers. And I'm going to ask my members to do the same thing.
What's happening here, brothers and sisters, is there is an ill wind blowing across our country. That ill wind reeks of the stench of corporate greed and the political expediency that allows corporate greed. What these sons of bitches are trying to do to you. What they're trying to do to you, brothers and sisters, and what they're trying to do to my members at the bargaining table is much bigger than just trying to steal your wages and your benefits. What they are trying to do, brothers and sisters, is steal your democracy. They are trying to change this country into a country that is run by the CEOs and the bankers and the brokers and those other sons of bitches down on Wall Street. So I'm here tonight, brothers and sisters, and my members are here tonight to tell you one thing, that your fight is certainly, without any doubt, our fight. We cannot, none of us here, none of us up here, we cannot let you lose, because if you lose, brothers and sisters, we all lose, all working people lose. We are one. We cannot allow them, those bastards, we cannot allow them to divide us. We have to win. You have to win. We'll be behind you. Everybody up here will be behind you until you win. So, I have questions. Are you ready to win? Are you ready to fight like hell? Is everybody in this audience going to support everybody else? Are we going to win? Are we going to kick their ass? Well, brothers and sisters, if you're ready, we're ready. My members are ready. We'll be there till the end. Thank you.
When I see people working 20, 30 years that said that I can't retire anymore. I have to work another 10 years to be able to support my family. Don't let that happen. Stand strong. Do not let them attack your pensions, because attacking your pensions is attacking your family.